we are following breaking news regarding a hypersonic missile strike in the Gulf.
Tonight, Universal Manufacturing reveals the forbidden. Missile City 2.0, Iran's deepest secret yet.
Everything here is monitored by AI. Any breach or movement is detected in milliseconds.
While the old bases were deep, the new 2.0 version is hardened with 10 times more reinforced concrete. This is the aperture system. The missile exits the mountain and the hatch closes instantly.
The launch sequence for the Fatah 2 hypersonic missile has begun.
Liquid fuel for power, solid fuel for speed. Missile City 2.0 has mastered both.
Missiles aren't the only residents here. This is the drone hive.
We are standing at the threshold of a mountain fortress that can withstand a nuclear strike.
How deep are we?
We are 500 meters beneath solid rock. No bunker buster can reach us.
This isn't just a storage base. It's a living, breathing military city.
With Missile City 2.0, Iran has secured its retaliatory power. The deterrent is now deep, dark, and untouchable.
Universal Manufacturing.
Behind this door lies the heart of Iran's defense program, a facility the West codenames Missile City 2.0.
مسیر حرکت رو رصد کنید. داره از محدوده خارج میشه.
بله، دارم کنترلش میکنم. همه چیز عادیه.
Can you launch from here without going outside?
Yes. Our vertical apertures allow for instant firing from underground.
Liquid fuel for power, solid fuel for speed. Missile City 2.0 has mastered both.
The launch sequence for the Fatah 2 hypersonic missile has begun.
What is the target today?
A maritime target 1,400 kilometers away. We are testing the glide maneuverability.
To sustain a city, you need more than weapons. You need food for a whole army. How long can you survive down here?
We have enough supplies for 1 full year of isolation.
Missiles aren't the only residents here. This is the drone hive. How do you control them from deep underground?
We use a fiber optic relay. There is zero lag.
With Missile City 2.0, Iran has secured its retaliatory power. The deterrent is now deep, dark, and untouchable. The city is built. The rockets are ready. Deep within the Alborz Mountains, we find the second generation of Iran's missile city. These Sejil and Ghad, fresh air is pumped from miles away. This system ensures the crew can survive for months. What kind of rock is this?
This is granite. It is the best natural shield against heavy bombardment. In Missile City 2.0, there is no need for cranes. Every missile is already on its launch platform.
How long have you been digging?
We have been expanding this city for over 5 years.
The entire reloading process is now 100% automated. We can launch hundreds of rockets in minutes. While surface electronics would fry, Missile City 2.0's deep ground insulation keeps the rockets functional. The aperture magazine system means Iran can launch a full barrage before the first missile even hits the target.
Our software can calculate a new path in mid-air if the enemy tries to intercept. It's unblockable.
Unlike normal ballistic missiles, the Fatah 2 doesn't follow a predictable arc. It dances through the sky.
Das. No.
T-minus 60 seconds and counting.
First stage successful. Missile City 2.0 has just delivered its first hypersonic message, Mach 5 and climbing.
The system is ready to fire again in less than 2 minutes.
With this automated reloading, Iran has eliminated the biggest weakness of underground bases, the delay.
We are following breaking news regarding a hypersonic missile strike in the Gulf.
The booster falls away. Now, the Fata-2 enters its most dangerous phase.
By flying in the blind zone, too low for space sensors and too high for traditional radar, the Fata-2 is practically invisible.
Encryption secure. Terminal guidance locked. Confirmed.
Normal missiles are like a rock. This is like a fighter jet. It can change its mind at the last second.
Deep within the Persian Gulf, the target awaits. This aging destroyer is about to face the next generation of Iranian precision weaponry.
The warhead strikes the hull.
Absolute destruction. No interceptor was fired. The defense systems didn't even see it coming.
The era of the aircraft carrier as a safe platform is over. These missiles have moved the goalposts.
Is liquid fuel safe underground?
With our new capsule technology, it is as safe as solid fuel.
Is maintenance difficult in the dark?
We have smart lamps that follow us. The light is never a problem.
This is the Segil missile.
The speed of logistics here is frightening. These Hatyars can be at the launch pad in minutes.
Inside Missile City 2.0, technicians install the new generation of GPS-resistant guidance systems, crucial for the program's continued success.
Our chips are now hardened against EMP attacks. Even a nuclear blast won't stop the guidance.
This is the life of the warriors under the mountain.
Can you perform complex surgeries here?
Yes, we have the same tech as the best hospitals in Tehran.
This is the heart of Missile City 2.0, a vertical magazine that allows for rapid, consecutive firing. Is this fuel volatile?
It is extremely powerful. Our new underground ventilation makes it safe to handle here.
We are directly beneath the Dragon's Mouth, the exit point for the Fata-2.
The first 3 seconds are critical. If the ignition isn't perfect, the mountain could shake.
Sanctions mean nothing here. They make their own fuel, their own chips, and their own steel.
People focus on the big rockets, but these short-range Hatyars are what protect our borders every second.
With thousands of coastal missiles stored in these tunnels, closing the strait is a matter of minutes.
We have smart mines that communicate with the missiles. If a ship enters, the city wakes up automatically.
It's not just about the machines. It's about the spirit of the people under the mountain.
Israel and they try to hack us every day. But we are on an isolated intranet.
There is no bridge to the outside world. This wing is designed to survive a direct nuclear strike. It has its own water and air filtration.
Even if the mountaintop is leveled, this city will continue to operate from deep within.
Yeah.
Deterrence is not just about having a bomb. It's about showing that you can't be destroyed.
It has been an exhausting and eye-opening journey inside the heart of Iran's defense.
What is your final message to the world?
We seek peace, but we are ready for anything.
The secrets we saw today change the global military equation. Iran is no longer just a regional player.
I hope you found this investigation insightful. I am your host for Universal Manufacturing.
Universal Manufacturing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a manufacturing reveal.